How to recover threads deleted stories. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to recover threads deleted stories. So in order to recover deleted stories on Instagram or threads, you just want to go ahead and launch open Threads app onto your device. Press onto the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go to the menu bar from the top right hand side corner. There comes the Your Activities section. So here you just want to go ahead and look for these Your Activities section, or you could just go ahead and launch open Instagram as well. So what you want to do is actually exit out, launch open the Instagram, make sure that this is the same account as yours. Once you've done this, you just want to go ahead and press on the profile initials menu bar, and from the menu you go to the Your Activity section. Here you just want to go ahead and select recently deleted, then select the story and tap restore. The deleted story stays up to for 30 days, but you can also check your Instagram archive if you have had it enabled for permanent stories as well. So this is how you're going to recover threads deleted story. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.